guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. I have a very special project to share with you guys today. There are two things that make this project incredibly special. One, I teamed up with Article, which is a brand that I have been dreaming to work with ever since I started my YouTube channel. And two, I am surprising my husband with a backyard makeover. He has been on deployment for the last 6 months and he hasn't seen the backyard yet. If you've been following me for a little bit, you know that we bought this fixer-upper house late last year. We wanted this house so bad and we put a very aggressive offer out there, and our offer ended up getting accepted a few days before Devin had to leave for deployment. So I moved into the house by myself. Devin has only seen the house while it was staged with the previous owner's furniture. I've been getting a lot of comments and messages asking where my husband's been, why he hasn't been helping me with my projects, and he's been overseas and I just don't like to talk about it very much for safety and privacy, but he's coming home and I can't wait to show him the house and the backyard. I haven't shown him any pictures of the backyard yet, so he'll be totally surprised. It has been a very long 6 months, but this house has given me so many projects to work on to keep my mind off him being gone, and it gives him something to look forward to. He has been talking about the backyard nonstop, just wanting to relax and hang out, grill some burgers and steak and have a few beers. I am so incredibly thankful that we got this house. I'm so happy I get to share all of my projects with you guys, and I'm forever grateful that Article was willing to help make this surprise so special. So thank you, Article. I will be sharing more about the furniture items that they gifted us later in the video. You'll be able to find the links for all of that furniture and decor in the description below. I am actually going to pick Devin up right now. I'm gonna try and set a camera out in the backyard so I can try to get his reaction. But first, I'm going to walk you guys through the whole backyard transformation. I also have a fun DIY project with some string lights, so I'm excited to share that with you guys. And after that, we will be back for the surprise. I'm starting this backyard makeover off with some much needed yard work. First, there are a ton of weeds that need to be pulled around the house and around the fence line. Then I'm going to mow the lawn. Now that the patio is all cleared, it's time to unbox all of my beautiful furniture from Article. Article is the easiest way to make your space look beautiful. You can still shop with Article online, and they're shipping with contactless delivery right now to ensure everyone stays safe. In-stock items deliver fast with estimated times on each product page. Here I have the Redondo light gray 6x9 rug. This is actually made from recycled plastic bottles, and it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This is the Toba driftwood gray coffee table. It has an aluminum base which holds a thick natural teak top. Now I'm assembling the Arca driftwood gray lounge chairs. These are also made from solid teak. The Arca is built to last, and I love how deep the seats are. This is the Arca driftwood gray sofa, and just like the lounge chairs, this is made from solid teak. The teak is naturally weather resistant and will develop a beautiful silver patina over time. I have a few more Article items that need to be unboxed. Here is the Selena white terrazzo stool. It's made of a composite terrazzo material. You can use it as a little end table or a stool for some extra seating. This is the Tuva white terrazzo large planter, made with the same composite terrazzo material. I cannot wait to get some plants in here. I also snagged some of these Nosh chalk gray walnut dining chairs for our dining room. They are solid wood, they have a comfortable foam padded seat, and they have a beautiful classic mid-century shape. Now I'm working on the string light planter DIY. I bought these treated 2x2s from Home Depot. They are 8 feet long. I started by sanding them down, then I painted them with some black paint. This is actually an exterior acrylic latex paint that I had left over from my front door. You'll want to use some good exterior paint to hold up to the weather. I bought these charcoal colored metal planters from IKEA, and I'm mixing the concrete right in the planter, so you'll need a bucket of water and something to mix your concrete with. I just used a shovel, but using a drill and a paddle mixer attachment would be a lot easier. I bought 60-pound bags of this high-strength Saccrete, and I used a little less than half a bag for each planter, filling them about 3/4 full. I just kept adding some concrete mix and water until the consistency looked like this. Now I need to stabilize the 2x2 posts, so I grabbed some scrap wood and some weights to hold my 2x2s in place. I used a level to make sure the post was nice and straight, then I let these set overnight. Once the concrete was set, I removed the wood and the weights and set my planters in place. Then I drilled 3 small holes in each planter right above the concrete line to allow water to drain. I bought some fun plants from Home Depot and spruced up each of the planters. Got a brand new day. Good love, he's on the way.
walk with you to Georgia. Have you ever been in love? Dove in from high above, and if the answer's no, well then I'd like to get to know you. And though I know these lights are blind,
I also bought some bigger ferns to fill up my large terrazzo planters from Article.
'cause I don't know what I've been told. The weather outside is not that cold, and if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia. And I don't know what those men see, but I see you right next to me. And if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia. We got a brand new night, and good love will soon arrive. And when it does, then come a little closer. Have you ever seen the stars burn out into the dark, and as they go say, it was nice to know you. And though I know these lights are blinding, I will guide us home.
These hooks will hold the string lights. You just hand tighten them into your 2x2 posts.
Outside is not that cold, and if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia. And I don't know what those men see, but I see you right next to me. And if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia.
I'm hiding this outdoor extension cord to power up the string lights.
I heard lovin's on the way, but I could use it right now. 'Cause I heard lovin's on the way, but I could use it right now. 'Cause I heard lovin's on the way, but I could use it right
These string lights I bought from Costco.
lovin's on the way. I don't know what I've been told. The weather outside is not that cold, and if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia. I don't know what those men see, but I see you right next to me. And if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia. And if you take my hand, I'll walk with you to Georgia. And if you take my hand.
Last, I put a few staples in the extension cord to hide it behind this 2x2. I also got a few pillows from Article. These are the Gabriola Ivory Boucle pillow set. They come in a set of 2, and this is the Wren small pillow. Article makes it so easy to attain a beautiful modern space, and we all know that right now home is an important place to be. Article offers high quality furniture at a great price, and it's designed to last. Article ships almost anywhere in the USA and Canada for a flat rate of $49 or free shipping on orders above $999. Thank you again, Article, for helping us turn this backyard into our own little paradise. You can find all of my Article furniture and decor links in the description below. I just have some fun final touches to make, and then the backyard makeover will be complete and just in time for Devin to be home.